humidity. Could that keep the mosquitoes here a little longer?
Oh, yeah, they are going to stay here. But, you know, finally, we found a good reason to have mosquitoes. Because, you know, I talked to folks at NC State, entomologists and everything, and they're like, they really have no purpose except bats like to eat them, I guess, which maybe is in the food chain. But it's going to be high Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So even though the calendar says fall, it's still skeeter season. All right, let's look at the time lapse at the Raleigh-Durham International Airport. It was a cloudy day for the most part in the Triangle and a cloudy evening, but not much rain. Nothing officially fell at the airport. It's 66 degrees right now. It's 61 in Roxborough, where you stayed in the 60s today. 72 in Fayetteville, which we showed you earlier. You got up to near 90. 68 in Rocky Mount, 71 in Goldsboro, 65 in Siler City. Nothing on the radar. Got a couple showers out in the mountains, but for the most part, we should stay pretty quiet tonight with some cloudy skies overnight. And when we wake up in the morning, we're going to see more clouds, and it'll stay relatively cool on Monday for your week ahead. Then we're going to be right back into the 80s by Tuesday afternoon. That'll last for the rest of the work week, but there will be a cold front on Thursday, and I think our best chance of storms Wednesday night and into Thursday, just the timing of that front. We'll see how it works. So your forecast on your Monday, first of all, the rays of sunshine, and mainly cloudy, a little more sun to the south, more clouds to the north. We're not going to see much sunshine. As a matter of fact, I have pretty much overcast conditions in the morning, then mostly cloudy skies in the afternoon. I will not rule out, with the front close by or right to our south, just a slight risk of a shower, isolated shower. Once again, most of us won't see anything. Most of us didn't see anything today, right? And there was a slight risk. A little better chance of maybe an isolated shower in the evening hours, but temperatures stay in the 70s, except once again for the Sandhills, where you'll be in the lower to mid 80s, almost mid 80s. 83 in Fayetteville, 82 in Rayford, 83 in Fort Bragg, but that is a little cooler than today's upper 80s, as that front will finally settle a little further south of Fayetteville. It was riding to the north today and separating the real cool air from the warm air. 84 Clinton tomorrow, 80 in Smithfield, 80 in Rocky Mount, 78 in Roanoke Rapids, and 81 in Benson. Winds will be out of the northeast 3 to 5, and once again clouds with maybe a shower. 76 Durham and Chapel Hill, 78 Raleigh tomorrow, 77 Lewisburg. If you're watching us in Henderson, you'll be 75, 77 in South Hill, Virginia. All right, we're up to a 30% chance this little disturbance of moisture might develop. I think it will develop into a low pressure system, but once again, the track will keep it out to sea, and so we will see if it gets any tropical characteristics, but you're going to see it on the forecast map. No worries. You know, it was the Twitter world and everything was a buzz earlier that this could be the remnants of Florence coming back to get us. That is not going to happen, okay? But we do have subtropical storm Leslie, which is not going to happen anywhere but spin around in the Atlantic Ocean for a little bit and then die out, so that's a good storm. Subtropical meaning doesn't have all tropical characteristics. But we've got one with all tropical characteristics. It's Tropical Storm Kirk, and it's moving to the west at 25 miles per hour, and it is going to be a tropical storm maybe over Barbados and also into the Caribbean Sea. As a matter of fact, Tropical Storm Kirk has diminished into a tropical depression again briefly, but it'll be a tropical storm tomorrow again. So we'll just go with Tropical Storm Kirk, not affecting the United States either. This front settles to our south tomorrow. We've got kind of cloudy skies, maybe a sprinkle. You see a couple later in the day would be the better chance of a brief shower. So the morning should be dry. That's that low pressure system that has a 30% chance of developing. Even if it does, it should stay right out in the Gulf Stream. And as you see on Tuesday night into Wednesday, it'll go up with a few showers. We're left in between. And Wednesday, after maybe an isolated thunder shower Tuesday afternoon, will give us some late day showers and storms with this front. And then this front will be over us on Thursday, and that'll give us our best chance of precipitation for the week. So nothing more than an isolated shower. 78 degrees tomorrow. Warmer after we start out cloudy in the morning. That front goes back as a warm front. We get up to 84. Your storms late Wednesday, 86. Scattered storms on Thursday, 82. And then a possible shower lingering on Friday before we turn partly cloudy to mostly sunny for the last 2 days of September, believe it or not.
Wow.
And a high near 80. Our normal high is now 79, so that's still all above normal.
Right on target.